Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your earbuds Happy Plugs Joy. To volume control we need to use your left earbud. At the back side, right here at the top, we have this line. This one is touch area. Now let me play some song. To increase the volume, you need to press one time at this touch area. So one time, and as you can see at this widget, I increase it. To lower it, you need to press 2 times at your left earbud. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and I lower it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!